elastic interface comes from the close collaboration between ASOS and Cytech at the beginning of the third millennium. The two companies gave rise to a series of innovative ideas that revolutionized the cycling shorts market, leading to greater comfort and performance in saddle. Elastic Interface was in fact the pioneer company to first introduce the elastic chamois, instantly setting a worldwide standard accessible to all cycling apparel companies for the well-being of all cyclists from professionals to amateurs. Ever since, the Elastic Interface brand has become synonymous with undiscussed quality and innovation. Customization and personalization allow Elastic Interface to respond to customer requests and the demands of an evolving market. The product range offers cycling pads with various levels of protection and specific solutions for all cycling disciplines, from road cycling to mountain biking and triathlon, becoming a standard of excellence used by the best technical cycling apparel brands worldwide, including ASOS, Rafa, Gore, and many others. The entire Elastic Interface range of products is the result of extensive R&D and studies carried out within the EIT lab, in partnership with suppliers and testers. The performance of the product is validated by the Department of Biomedical Science of the University of Padova. Here, researchers periodically carry out specific tests that satisfy characteristics of elevated protection based on the athlete's anthropometric parameters, gender, type of activity, and duration of ride in saddle. The Elastic Interface catalog numbers 42 different men's styles and 34 women's styles. All the products are certified by OECO-Tex, and all the fabrics are certified Blue Sign. The quality found in each department within the company is annually rewarded by ISO 9001 certification, a guarantee for cycling apparel producers as well as cyclists from all around the world. To discover all the secrets of what makes the Elastic Interface pad so special, we paid a visit to chamois industry leader Cytech in the Treviso area in the heart of the Veneto region. The creation of a cycling pad begins with the realization of a draft that takes into account the objectives and inputs outlined in the R&D stages. The technical department uses a three-dimensional graphic design program to transform data into the first prototype and to define the production process, depending on whether stitched technology or the thermo-molded process will be used. The production process starts with receiving the raw materials, verification, quality control, and subsequent storage in the designated areas. The Elastic Interface microfiber fabrics are exclusively developed worldwide by Meaty SPA and respond to specific bacteriostatic parameters, comfort, and high mechanical characteristics, guaranteeing a perfect combination of design and technology. All processing steps are monitored by an operator through a terminal. Firstly, the choice of the equipment and the preparation of the fabric, where it undergoes an additional quality control. The die cut is placed on the fabric and the cutting machine parameters are adjusted to obtain an accurate cut according to the characteristics of the material. A specific circular machine, equipped with laser pointers and high-definition die cut, allows to shape the foams that will be used in the composition of the cycling pads. Once these operations have been carried out, all semi-finished materials move on to the various assembly stages according to the models to be produced. We'll now take a closer look at the construction of a sewn product. The first operation involves the marking of the pad with the company logo and the assembly of the various parts through the use of an ultrasound machine. The ultrasonic taping phase guarantees a solid bond between the parts. Different density foams are precisely positioned with the use of aluminium positioning masks specific for each model. The computer unit is programmed to automatically assemble the foams with the upper part of the pad, so obtaining the finished product. As we follow the construction of a thermo-molded product, we can find foam inserts with different densities and fabrics that have been previously cut, assembled depending on the case, thanks to the use of laser-shaped jigs specific for each model, which will keep the foams in perfect position during the first fixing steps of the thermo-molding stage. The more complex pads are completed with a final application of a back liner, ensuring the stability in time of the different paddings that compose it. The design that characterizes the single EIT pad is obtained by applying heat and pressure the thermomolding process using molds and countermolds that shape the upper and bottom portion of the pad while imparting the elastic interface logo and the customer's logo as well. Each thermomolding stage is programmed with time and temperature ranges, depending on the construction of the pad and the material used, guaranteeing a high-quality lamination that will last in time and the soft peach finish that has always distinguished the superior quality of the EIT pads. Our cycling pad is almost ready. We just need to execute a few more standard steps. Quality control is carried out in compliance with the ISO instructions. An operator inspects the measurements, the seams, the thickness, and the aesthetics of the overall pad. The final packaging and packing stage will protect the integrity of the elastic interface product on its way to the best cycling apparel companies worldwide to become an important part of shorts and bibs, guaranteeing best comfort and top performance. Elastic Interface, the performance specialist.